Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of Super Cute Talks with me, with your loves. And again I came with a super product of Amazon. So I ordered 2 kurtis in Amazon. So it came with this big package. So I already did open unboxing. I did because if I receive anything I can't wait. I can't control myself. I want to see. So for that I opened. Everything is fine. So I thought I want to give review of this product. I like this kurti. So yeah, both are same. One is for mine and one for my sister. So I ordered 2 for same colors. Every time we are taking, if it is possible, like same design, we will get anything. So we will get 2. So this is the kurti. Size is L. L is for my size. Actually, mine is M. Again I have to do alteration in M also, but for my sister M is fine, is a perfect size for her. I suggested to take M only, but she's not listening my words and she's fighting with me. She want only L, so she's taken L size. I can't do anything. So it seems like a bit so large. See, this is the lengthwise this much. Okay, the fine and the given like a collar neck. Actually I like this pattern, and again they given here the special thing about this kurti. I like this button, and you can hold this, and they are given one here, one like bow type. You can here button, right? Yeah, I'll show you how. So this is a kurti, and you can hold like this, and that bow where is, yeah, you can do like this. This is the special thing about this kurti. It's normal kurti only, but anything is special or modern is this thing. And more thing, quality is not that much bad. Yeah, I forgot to tell the cost. Actually in offer we got this for 500. Actual cost, it's cost around 700, 650 like that cost it will be there in offer. So last week offers are there, so I got this kurti for 500, bought that for 1000 rupees. I got 499, round figure is 500. So we get this kurti for 500. I don't know how now this offer is there or not. I have to check. I'll give this product, this kurti, link in below description box. If you want anyone, you can buy. This quality is too good. They given 3 buttons here, and also they are giving this frills here. If it is frills is there here, means we will look like a chubby, but look good, but we will look like bit chubby. Yeah, because I have a same pattern dresses, so if I'm wearing that, I'm looking like bit chubby. Already I'm looking chubby only. If I'm wearing this, I look more chubby, but I won't mind others' comments. So if you like this product, go and check and buy. And this is about today's video. No, not much things to say about this product. This is a normal kurti. Just I want to show you the quality and the price and the pattern, how it was. That's it. This is the normal kurti only. So see you in next video with interesting product. Yeah, see you next video. Bye.